Watch me get a VMAX Charizard. I'll bring my first pack out. Should I do it from the left or the right? Right has the, okay, so do from the left. I'll save those for Casey. Wait a second, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Alright, we got a Psychic Energy. Collapse Stadium. Luxio. A Pot Helmet. Let's see if I can. Okay. A Trapinch. Oh, an Execute. I haven't seen that one in Brilliant Stars yet. A Starly. Shroomish. A Piplup. Ooh, is that a full art Eevee? It's not like shiny or anything, but oh wait, it's got some holographics on it. Yo, that's crazy. Yeah, cool. Set that one up over here. And then our our good card was the Flygon, which isn't very good. Ace Rolla's Premonition. This one looks very weird. A Morgrem. Friends Galar. Another. Oh wait, no, this is just our first Piplup. Another Shroomish. A Purloin. A Duskull. We have a Sneasel. A Reverse Hollow Minchino. And a Klinklang. Wow. Okay. What is that? Is that dark? I think that's a dark energy. Alright. A pack. I don't know how to say that. Oh wait, I forgot to move these over. Alright. A Kindler. An Ultra Ball. A Weasel. A Gibble. I have a Trapinch. The Ball Sack Buddy. Kaylin, look. It's the Ball Sack Buddy. Yeah. It's a ball sack with a head. I'm keeping him. We have a Throw. Oh. A Dusknoir. Full art. A Luxio. Another Pot Helmet. A Sigilif. An Electabuzz. Just realized that it wasn't in front of the camera, but it's high. A Kimeko. Another Gibble. A Turtwig. Alright, let's see what I get. A Trapinch. And a Reverse Hollow Weavile. With an I don't know how to say that. Escavalier, that one. Berry. I like Berry. An Execute. Ooh, a Grimer. I don't think Berry's a Pokemon. A Sneasel. A Bidoof. That is a big ass Bidoof. That's a Bidoofy Bidoof. An Electabuzz. Ooh. A Reverse Hollow Manaphy. And a V-Star Shaman. Starmie. Cynthia's Ambition. Sharon's Care. Don't know. It is Pokemon, so it could be anything. Grimer. Ooh, a Clefairy. I'll keep the chunky boy. Alright, another Bidoof. Another Oh, wow, I can't speak English. Electabuzz. A Hawlucha. Delectable. A Reverse Hollow Haxorus. And another Haxorus. So I got a regular one and a Reverse Hollow Haxorus. A Vibrava. Looks like a little dragonfly. Oh, that guy's like a chunky hipster. Cafe Master. A Monferno. Farfetch'd. Polion, alright. An Execute. A Grimer. I saw that and I was like, oh look, another Grimer. A Sneasel. A Bidoof. A Reverse Hollow Prinplup. Ooh. Will, you can have this one. And, ooh, a Hollow Dusknoir.
North.
What do you mean North? It's a pretty good card. Plus I got a V-Star card, so if I have any... I do have that one V-Star Pokemon, so that'll work. Dark Energy. I got a Dusclops. A Morgrem. A Gabite, a little T-Rex. I got another gear since Luke, that's your favorite, I guess. A little Clink. Ooh, I got a little off-brand Raichu. A Dedenne. I have a Cubchoo. Ooh, this Duskull is different art. Another Farfetch'd. Oh man, I'm struggling to keep these in one stack. Two cards back to back. Except one of them's a Reverse Hollow. Reverse Hollow Farfetch'd and a Hollow Moltres. Solid. I have a I forgot to clear it off. There you go. I have a Monferno. A Gloria. I have another Dusclops. A Dedenne. A Cubchoo. It's like a little icy teddy bear. Oh my god, look at it. It's so fucking cute. Like, you can't tell me you wouldn't want that as like a pet. Alright, a regular Farfetch'd. And Execute. Ooh, a Reverse Hollow Team Yell's Cheer. And for the last card, a VMAX Dynamax Mimikyu. I have a freshwater set, Starmie, a Weavile, a Chimchar. A little huggy boy who wants to give you a little hug. Baltoy. That. Alright. An AWEX. A Nose Pass. Some of these just have very creative names. A Snorunt. A Reverse Hollow Baltoy. And a Gramble V. It's a Bulldog with tusks. I have a Hydro Energy. You got a Staravia. A Floatzel. Hunting Gloves. Snorunt. A Clink. A Dedenne. Cubchoo. A Duskull. We have a Reverse Hollow Snuggly Boy. And an Arceus V. Dang. This is the one I wanted. It's very nice looking. What did you just say? Luke?
Luke, watch yourself.
Do I have to... What does this mean? Does it mean I'm gonna get a good Pokemon?
What does that mean? Oh, another V-Star card?
I got another V-Star. Stack them on top of each other. Okay, so yeah, that does count as an energy. So I have a Vibrava. Another Tropius. I'll mod him, Caitlin. A Claydol. A Milcery. Another. It's a Cumbuddy. You're right. It was a Cumbuddy. Why did you delete his message, Caitlin? He wasn't lying. He was telling the truth. It's a Shinx. Oh, I haven't seen this one in Impidimp. A Golett. Another Cumbuddy, except better. I forgot the word. A Reverse Hollow Muck. And a secret Sharon's Care, or Charon's Care. Grass Energy. Alright, a Claydol. Freshwater set. A Starmie. An Execute. A Grimer. Another fluffy Clefairy. A Bidoof. It just feels weird saying Bidoof. Alright, Electabuzz. A Reverse Hollow Cynthia's Ambition. And a Hollow Garchomp. But yeah, overall pretty good. Pretty good. I think Haxorus looks pretty cool. Alright. We're gonna put these over here. Stack up nice. Alright. I'll put the secrets somewhere else. Well, this is my first secret, so I should probably put it in a sleeve. Alright, we're gonna go through the regular hollows now. We have only 3 of them. We have a Dusknoir, Moltres, and a Garchomp. Pretty good. Let's see, supporters. Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll include the secret in that supporter then, because it is a supporter. Ooh, and it's textured. Alright. We have, as Caitlin said, a Colonel Mustard and a Charon's Care. We'll put the secret on the side. Sweet and sour sauces. Alright, for this supporter. Alright. We're going to look at our full art hollows now. Dusknoir on a just a regular Eevee, but I actually like the Eevee. I think the Eevee is the cutest Pokemon. Yes, very good, very good. And then I have my sister's Victini VMAX she opened in one of her decks over there, which I don't really want to mess with it right now, but Victini VMAX Secret. And then we're gonna go V cards. So we have an Arceus V, a Grandel V, a Mimikyu VMAX, and a Shaman V Star.